right, so last week we finished up with the glue up on the legs, the waterfall legs, and the overall tabletop. And this week we're going to go ahead and try to finish up with getting those legs attached and installed. Alright, so where we're at right now is we got the tabletop here glued up, and we got two of the legs that will be going on one side of the coffee table. And we've given them just kind of a nice tapered edge to give them a little character. In the meantime, while we're waiting for the other end of the legs to glue up, which will be kind of in a waterfall type aesthetic, we will be just doing a lot of sanding. So get ready for the time lapse of that. All right, so as of right now, we have these legs marked out where these are going to be sitting in and where we want to drill some pilot holes to then go on the other end of the table and get these mounted in. All right, where we're at right now is we have got these two legs on here. We'll go ahead and put brackets on them during the finishing process. And we've got the waterfall edge cut to size and length. We're gonna figure out the exact placement of where we wanna put this, what exact side of the waterfall we wanna use. We'll get it a little cleaned up, and then we'll go ahead and get it mounted in place. And then we're coming along. All right, so we got the waterfall edge and legs coming together. We got it planed, kind of sanded down, get a lot of these glue marks, imperfections gone. We're keeping a lot of the obvious imperfections to play within the overall design, along with those chatter marks from, my guess would be the wood mill that it came from originally. And this really old piece of wood. We didn't want to take too much off of it because we want to let this character shine through without.